Hi there, welcome to my course. In this lecture, you will learn about XSS exploited, part 2. The Express Mail Personal Edition solution. Express Mail Personal Edition is a solution offered by Singular that allows remote users to access their email and view documents that reside on the host PC. In short, a remote user logs into the http://expressmail.singular.com/subscriber website. The web application then establishes a secure socket layer protected tunnel back to the client that is running on the host computer. If the subscriber checks their inbox, the client program will log into the server on behalf of the user, retrieve the email subject list and relay that information to the web application for the user to view, as shown in the figure. The user then clicks on an email subject, which is then pulled from the server by the client and pushed back to the web application. If the user selects the Documents button, the client will obtain a file listing from the specified folder and relay the list to the web application. This is the figure. When a file name is clicked, the client program will push the selected file to the web application, where it will either be available for download or displayed in the browser. An added benefit of having remote access to files on the PC is that a user can attach any file to a new email. Express Mail will automatically tie the file and email together when it is submitted. As a concept, the idea is clever and useful. A subscriber can tote around just a personal digital assistant and stay connected to their corporate network over an encryption connection. In addition, since all the documents reside on the remote system, the user can save space on their PDA and mitigate some of the risk of a lost device. The ACKID. Our research into this program employed the use of Burp. We used this program to monitor the hypertext transfer protocol headers, form values, and keep track of our history during the review. So, after executing Burp, configuring our browser to work with the proxy, and loading up the entry page, http://expressmail.singular.com/subscriber, we started to look around. Upon login, we first noticed the use of a cookie with the following content. This is the content. We were curious as to what these values meant, so we logged in and out a few times and deducted that the browser ID was a static value tied to our browser and the ACKID was the session tracker. To test this, we opened up a browser on a different computer and inserted the ACKID from our valid session into an unauthorized session. The illicit connection opened right up and gave us access to the inbox or documents. The document folder. Clicking into the folder, we noticed that the URL referenced a documents.htp and appeared to be performing a GET request. We then selected a file called sample.htm from our folder and clicked on the link to open it up. Again, a new GET request and the sample.html file opened up in a new browser window.